Hey, today I'm going to show you how to Dutch braid. So I take a triangular section in the front by my part line, split it into 3, and then the outside sections are going to cross underneath the middle section. That's how you remember a Dutch braid. The outside goes underneath the middle on both sides, and then you're going to add a 1-inch section to that outside piece, cross underneath the middle, and add to the other outside section, and then cross that underneath the middle and continue all the way down. So add a 1-inch section to the outside, cross underneath the middle, and add to the other side. Once I get to this spot, I kind of switch my hands around, and then I simply 3-strand braid down to the ends. So I'm about 2 inches above the ear here, and so I'll just 3-strand braid for the desired look, and then add an elastic. And now I'm going to pancake the braid to make it look more full and bigger. So you just gently pull at each outer edge of each stitch, and I like to hold the bottom of the braid as I do this to keep it a little bit more firm. And I just gently go down, and I do it a couple of times on each one as I go, just to get it the size that I'd like. And that's it. Let me know what you think in the comments, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.